And after becoming the first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic medal, Saina Nehwal arrived in the capital just moments ago, accompanied by her coach Pullela Gopichand. Saina was given, of course, a very warm welcome, as you can see through those pictures, by a large number of fans and media. All of them, of course, gathered at the Indira Gandhi International Airport this morning. Remember, Saina won the bronze medal in the singles event, and the women's, of course, after her Chinese opponent, world number 2 Xin Wang, conceded the third place playoff match because of a knee injury. So celebrations galore for Saina, who lived, of course, up to that billing at the Olympics. Well, of course, scenes in front of you of her arrival at, back home at the international airport. There was also a small little aarti for her to welcome the champion back from her bronze medal winning performance at the London Games. As you can see, the media is going absolutely ballistic. Of course, we can see some shots of Saina, that small little aarti right through those visuals. Remember, NDTV was the only channel which got to speak to Saina Nehwal and her mentor, Pullela Gopichand. They were, of course, first on NDTV, an exclusive interview that we did with Saina, where she said that her bronze medal was in fact a gift to her coach after they had parted ways for a brief time last year. So, in fact, those pictures coming in thanks to my colleague Arjun Pandit, who is at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Arjun, you're one of the lucky ones to be part of Saina Nehwal's reception party. So worth being up early this morning, right?
Yeah, totally worth being up early this morning. But the only damn squib in that was, Disha, that there were so many of us trying to get a piece of Saina Nehwal and get a sound bite of hers that she got so scared that when she came out for the first minute, there was like a full-on stampede going on. She ran back inside, took about 10-15 minutes. She came back outside for another 5 minutes. And again, she just obliged with a photo op, did not give anyone a soundbite, and went right back inside. So everyone who had come prepared with garlands, and there were dholkis going on over here. In fact, I came from a wedding last night, and it resembled a wedding scene over here in the morning as well at the airport. So such was the madness right now for Saina Nehwal.
Well, that's really good to hear, considering the kind of scenes that you probably saw. And I hate to say this, is when the Indian cricket team probably returns back from winning a World Cup. So crazy scenes there. I'm guessing Saina and her coach must have been beaming with pride, and all the fans, like you said, must have gone absolutely wild.
Yeah, Disha, in fact, there were quite a few young girls. They're part of a badminton academy. They had come over here to greet Saina. And I asked a few of them. I said, listen, do you think the time has come that Saina Nehwal is going to be bigger than our cricket stars? And prompt gave the reply, yes, we know she's going to be much bigger than her. She is our idol. There's so many of these young girls over here. There are about 15-20 of them waiting for Saina Nehwal. Poor little them. I told them, only if you guys were a little taller, probably you would have got to see Saina Nehwal, or you would have even gotten touching distance of that. But that didn't happen because of the media, which was going in a complete frenzy to get shots of India's second woman who's got obviously a medal at the Olympics.
Absolutely, and like I just mentioned earlier, NDTV were like the lucky ones who got to actually speak to the champion, and we got an exclusive with her. So I can imagine all that ruckus at the airport with the media, just trying to get that one exclusive soundbite from Saina.
I know, and it actually resembled a wrestling match. So, for some time or the other, I was remembering the time when I used to fight with my brother when I was a kid, and we used to wrestle each other. I was trying to do those moves to get our camera inside and get the NDTV mic in there, but to no avail, to be honest. But, a few lucky camera persons got it, and I think we got those visuals running for our viewers who are watching the show right now. So that's what happened when Saina Nehwal enters. She's apparently going to Hyderabad now. She's got a flight at about 9:50. She lands there in the afternoon, and then she's holding a press conference at 2:30, where I think she'll give sound bites, and no one is going to be jumping on her to get a shot or a sound bite of her then.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.